something. This is something else. This is something.
Slowly but surely. Actually, we're making quite good pace.
We're making an incredible bit. That's what I'm saying. My gauge is completely wrong. I thought. Please.
And then super glue ourselves up here.
Wait, super glue ourselves. And then we're like trying to reach the puddles, like because no one's home.
Snack break. Yep.
They let nowhere. Oh, good.
Yeah.
It's huge. It's huge.
River crossing.
I don't need any water right now, but.
Not a sponsor.
And I said, nah, my shit like Ötzi the Iceman. I'm sorry.
No.
I bumped into it. See, we'll be the shining rock in those. Kill us. Hands in the back. Kill us. We're going to get to the top of it. Hey, down here! Get me, get me, get me, get me, get me, get me. This far, because look, this looks like a butt. Yeah. Oh, this is, okay. You see how this is vertical? You know why that's vertical. All these layers of sediment, it's because from when the two mountains came up and pushed up like that. And hit this clearly. It's clear. Rejected. Saving grace. This is actually going to save our lives. This little leaf right here.
Okay.
So you want to be on the northeast side of something, of a rock.
Excellent. Thank you. Well, thank you.
38. Which I guess isn't crazy, but not what I'm used to.
Damn, I ate too much. My. Oh, go away, watch that, friend. Did they hatch or get eaten?
No, that ain't chocolate.